welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. Today we are learning what's your telephone number in Cantonese. Let's go! What's your telephone number in Cantonese is 你電話幾號啊？你 you 電話 telephone 你電話 your telephone number 幾 how many or how much 號 number model particle for questions. The answer is 我電話係23456789我 I 電話 telephone 我電話 my telephone 係 to be 我電話係 my telephone is 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 A Hong Kong telephone number can begin with 2, 3, 5, 6, or 9. There are 8 digits. When people call from overseas, they input also area code plus 852. Here are more related vocabulary. A 嘅 B, B of A. 香港 Hong Kong. 緊急 emergency. 電話 telephone. 緊急電話 emergency number. 香港嘅緊急電話 emergency number of Hong Kong. Here are the dialogues. Dialogue 1. 你電話幾號啊？ What's your telephone number? 我電話係23456789 My telephone number is 23456789 Dialogue 2. 香港嘅緊急電話係幾號啊？ What's the emergency number in Hong Kong? 香港嘅緊急電話係999 The emergency number in Hong Kong is 999 That's all for today. Bye bye!